We're at 12439 Homestead Way here in Auburn. Hey, this house is 2,500 square foot, a 4-bedroom with beautiful views all the way around, almost 360 up here on the hill. Lots of natural light up here with a wraparound deck that you can entertain, which actually is a newer deck too. Hey, this house has a very oversized garage, lots of storage.
Hey, it's a beautiful home here. I really love, you can see the natural light. We are on a top of a hill. Yes, you see some houses across, but filtering through those homes, you've got some snow-capped views out here. You're in the middle of the heart of Auburn. Lots of custom built-in cabinetry throughout as well. Big kitchen. Kind of a tall island for tall people. You got a couple bedrooms up that direction, and the main primary bedroom is on the lower level. Small office here on the left on the main floor. So on the main floor living, you've got the primary bedroom, laundry, living, dining, kitchen, everything you need included in an office. And you've got a very large open suite here with double closets, a soaking tub in the master primary bedroom. You've got the open floor plan here with a nice bay window with more light looking in the backyard. Double vanity throughout, again with a double closet, walk-in shower, and the tub. Great little space in here with your own private door that goes out to the side yard and to that newer deck. All right, let's go upstairs. Come up the stairs, you've got a little space here, which could be a really nice little reading nook with a nice skylight above you. We've got bedroom on right and bedroom on left, and with a bathroom in the middle with another large closet. Again, you've got some really nice views, sunset views from one bedroom and snow-capped views from the other.